I absolutely love dentistry. Let me just say, I chose a profession in the healthcare field because I really want to help people. That's kind of my passion. I love people. When people meet me, they know I love people. Oral health is wonderful in the fact that if you have a problem, I can fix it. And it's not that way in other medical professions. You know, you might have an ailment, but it might take them a long time to figure it out, or they may never. When I have a patient come to me, they're in need of something, and I can absolutely take care of it for them. Every patient that comes to the door, they're usually nervous. I mean, there's nothing great about a dental procedure per se. The reality is there's many good offices with good doctors doing good dentistry. Customer service is not their fine part. I want you to feel welcomed. I think that's the biggest thing, is to feel welcomed when you come to the door. I'm gonna provide you good dentistry. There's no doubt about that. But how does it flow from the very beginning to the very end? Our customer service, we thrive on it. And so not only do we meet your needs, by doing great dentistry, but we also add that little touch of customer service to it. And I told my staff, we're gonna build this practice around one thing, the patient care. My philosophy has always been, let's take care of the patient, and then the patient will take care of us. For patients that might feel a little apprehensive about coming to the office, I would tell them I completely understand. They probably went to a dentist and maybe they didn't have the best experience. I can give them assurance and let them know that, I'm gonna take great care of you. Actually, the biggest thing that I do for them is not overlook their concerns. I tackle their concerns head on, and I don't tell them, hey, no, don't worry about this, don't worry about this. I say, you know what? I understand your concerns and I understand where you're coming from. And these are the concerns I can fix, and this is how we're gonna get through it. There's no judgment. I don't see bad teeth, I just see teeth that I have to fix. Now, I will tell you, with most people, money is always an issue. Presenting somebody a big, extravagant treatment plan when that is not something that's in their wheelhouse is not what's best for the patient. I make treatment plans, but the patient ultimately chooses the treatment plan. I think the biggest thing that I can do is I can offer you education in what I recommend, and I'd offer no pressure. I don't care if you do an expensive treatment plan. I don't care if you do an inexpensive treatment plan. I just want to make sure that you feel like you've chosen the right treatment plan. To say, this is what I recommend, you have this expensive treatment plan, without thinking about someone's dollars and cents, is not thinking about the patient. I don't choose the treatment plan for you. I'm simply an educator, and once I've given you all the right information, you can make an educated decision. The Marine Corps has given me the competence and the confidence to exceed at anything in life. It gave me the discipline to study and be better. As a dentist, once you graduate dental school, you've just got your license to just practice dentistry. It's up to you to push the limits, to learn more and do more things. And the Marine Corps taught me discipline. Another big aspect of the Marine Corps is they taught me teamwork. When I talk to my staff, they know that I'm just another member on the team, just with a different role. I do a lot of procedures that are cutting edge and very advanced. And for some dentists, it's difficult for them to take that plunge and do those difficult things. But as a Marine, I've seen a lot, I've done a lot. I can do root canals, I can do implants, I can do extractions, bone grafts. I can do very complicated, and I even do very simple procedures. And I do know a lot of patients hate being referred out to different locations. They don't like to, first of all, go meet any new doctor, but they like that I can take care of everything in-house for them. The best thing about being a dentist is changing lives. I think dentistry is the most rewarding medical profession there is. The reason why I started my practice was that, honestly, I want to build a legacy. I want to be known for when I die that I did great dentistry and I took care of people.